Today I will be making Japanese souffle pancake. The ingredients are 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1½ tablespoon of milk, 1/4 cup of flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 2 egg whites. Add milk to the egg yolk and beat until fruity. Add the flour and mix it all together. Add the baking powder, and set it aside. I added 1 teaspoon of cream of tartar. Now start beating the egg whites. Now gradually add the sugar. Continue to whip the egg whites. The egg whites will become glossier and firmer. And stop beating when you lift up the hand mixer and the egg white stands right up with stiff peaks slightly bending over. Next, take half of the egg whites and add to the egg yolk mixture. Using a whisk, gently fold in without breaking the air bubbles and the egg whites. Fold in the rest of the egg whites to the mixture. Scoop the butter into a frying pan and put a little bit of water. The water will keep the pancake moist. Repeat the same procedure until the butter is all done. Serve and enjoy with your favorite pancake syrup, honey, and your favorite fruits.